Dear students, if your dream is to become a doctor in the UK, this video is for you. With AV Global, we will be able to help you to choose the right university for MBBS in a budget. Then we will give you all the important information you need to clear your IELTS, to get your internship, because there are a lot of rules with GMC in the UK regarding your internship, and then how to go about PLAB 1 and PLAB 2. I have a complete roadmap for you for the next 7 to 8 years, which will help you become a doctor in the UK and settle down. So this video is for you if you have aspired to become a doctor in the UK. Stay tuned. Today we are in Manchester in England. The reason we are here is to give you a good idea about PLAB 1 and PLAB 2. So for the PLAB 1, it's MCQ, which is conducted online. They have centers all over the world. For PLAB 2, you have to come to the UK, to Manchester, where there are two centers in the city centre. One is the 3 Hardman Street and the other is the 3 Hardman Square. Right now we are in 3 Hardman Square, where it's on 8th floor. You can see General Medical Council floor number 8. Other one is 3 Hardman Street, where there is level 2 and level 3. We will be providing you all the information you need, how to go about with PLAB 1 and PLAB 2, all the details, all the information, how to come to this country, what are the requirements, what are the documents, all the minute details. We are now inside the building of the PLAB 2 examination center. There are 2 floors, floor number 2 and floor number 3. Now what is PLAB 2? PLAB 2 is a objective structure clinical exam which consists of 16 scenarios which last around 8 to 10 minutes each. Now these 16 scenarios can have a mock test or it can have an acute ward. You will be required to assess the patient. You have to give the right diagnosis, prescription, and it can, it will be a real life situation. Now you're already a doctor, so it shouldn't be a problem for you. Now what you need up till PLAB 2 is your MBBS degree with internship, IELTS, PLAB 1 pass certificate, and then you can come in for PLAB 2. Now PLAB 2 is, as you know, is situated in Manchester. AV Global has a exclusive program for the PLAB students who wish to wish to become a doctor in the UK and have a dream to practice in this country. Also, while you're doing your PLAB 2, your stipend can be anywhere between 35 to 36,000 pounds per annum, which is almost 3,000 pounds a year, which comes around 3 lakh rupees per month. So whatever money you have spent in your MBBS is easily recovered. We have a very exclusive package. There are a lot of details to know. So please get in touch with AV Global Overseas and we will be able to help you and guide you.